Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator, and we're gonna unbox what I got here. M16A1 from what a country. The only thing it's missing is the barrel and the lower receiver because that's the way these kits come into the country as. So, let's start unboxing it. We're gonna use our handy dandy bayonet here. That's how we do that. All right. And you guys are seeing it first. We've got a lot of popcorn. Here's the invoice here. Looks like it's packaged very well. Oh man, look at that handguard. That is a really nice handguard right here. Very, I'd say, excellent condition handguard. Definitely, definitely. What about the other one? Does the other one match? Is it broken? I don't see any breakages. It matches, and it looks like it's an excellent condition handguard as well. So, all right. So through all this popcorn, I don't want to put all this popcorn everywhere. So we got the gas tube right here. Here's the upper. All right, let's take a look at this upper receiver here. It's got the bolt carrier group in it as well. Wow, it's got a CH. So that's a Colt. Here we go. Here is the bolt here. And that bolt looks like it's in pretty good condition. Like really good condition here. That's pretty awesome. That's what that looks like. Switch it around there. Get a good shot of that. Yep. You can see the rear sight on here. It wasn't upgraded at all. This is the A1 style with the teardrop forward assist. That's really good upper receiver there. All right, here is the buttstock. All right, so this M16A1 buttstock. Here is the buffer tube and buffer spring as well. You can see that. Doesn't look too shabby at all. It's actually got some unit markings, it looks like, on there. So this was used somewhere, somehow. And it has the trap door here on your, so this would have been an M16A1 upgrade. It's got the trap door. The older M16, the XM16E1s would have just had a flat butt plate right here, rubber pad. So, but this one's got a trap door. Does it come with anything inside? Let's find out. Well, there doesn't seem to be anything in there. Well, nothing in there. Okay. All right. So there's your buttstock and your buffer tube and buffer and your buffer spring. And I'm sure we got some more goodies in here. There's a lot of popcorn. I really don't want to throw all this popcorn on the floor here, but it's got to be up. I feel something. And yep. So here we got some more components in here. We got a pistol grip. We got the, let's just take all this out here. All right, so this is your M16A1 style pistol grip. Very good condition, probably excellent. I don't see anything on it that looks cracked or messed up. It's actually in really, really good condition here. Looks like we have some components here. And this would actually be your front sight post. No rust. I don't see anything wrong with it here. It is C marked, or yeah, there's a C up there. So that's really cool. Front sight post. And here you've got some inner components, your trigger. I'm just going to keep that in the bag. Your hammer, your selector switch, all that's in the bag here. Interesting. I think there should be some more in there. Let's find out. All right, there we go. Yeah, so here's some more components. You got so you have the bird cage style flash hider in here that is actually, it's got the inlets all the way around, It's not the A2 style, but it's the A1 style. So this would have been correct for an A1, M16A1 here. So that's really cool. And yeah, we got a lot of other smaller components down in here. So that'll be fun. I've actually got a Anderson lower, and I've got a Harrington and Richardson barrel, and I got that from Palmetto State Armory. So I'm going to put this together with that Anderson lower, and I think this is going to be a really, really good shooter. It looks good so far. So, but yeah, that's it for the unboxing video, guys. If you appreciate this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out with the algorithms. And as I always like to say, be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.